Want to start the car? I can go now? Hmm?
Holy shit, Tim. Tim, 911.
You
okay? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. What just happened? Sorry, guys.
Are you alright?
Yeah. Are you upset now?
No.
Come on, I guys got you. You got you good.
Good. I'm like, and then I see the guy with the damn
I know.
camera.
Yeah, he's not good.
No.
I'm
glad you're okay.
No, I'm good. Thanks. Good?
Yeah. Hey. What the fuck was that about?
I don't know. What do you do?
Stay still for a minute. You got yourself electric shock and knocked yourself out.
Did I?
Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Where are you going? You from here?
No. I have to go get something at Monty Bay. You okay, man? You okay? Get up, man.
What
You
happened?
okay?
Huh?
You okay?
What happened?
No, you put that together, man. Shit. Come on, man. You okay? Are you okay? Shit.
But now you can tell her. That's awesome.
Okay.
For real? Hey. You okay? Hey. Oh my God. You okay? Are you okay? Yeah, I think you got electrocuted. Are you okay? Hey, relax. You got electrocuted. You okay?
Oh.
Easy. Hold on.
You're on camera. You're on the Frank
Shut
show.
up.
You're on the Frank show.
Oh my God, you fucking gave me a heart attack.
Thanks.
You were a good actor, I'll tell you that.
I'm a good actor? Thanks. Yeah. Oh.
Way back down?
What just happened?
You just got zapped, dude. You touched those two together. Sit back down. Here, come on. Put them back down.
Good to go?
Yep. You did not just do that. Tell me you did not just do that. Jesus Christ.
What happened?
You touched the fucking things together and
Oh,
it shocked you, dude.
Man.
You are lucky to be alive.
Thanks.
Are you serious?
You're on a hidden camera.
I am-
Ah!